in airplane mode, I don't need no drama.
Blessed to see another day. This is the face of I packed up all my makeup. I packed up everything. Wash brushes, packed up everything. Left out some good skincare. So skincare and sunscreen it is. Hey, I'm gonna just call this day 3 of the move. I gotta go to work today, but I come to tell y'all this quick little story. Everything happened for a reason. Everything happened for a reason. I met some seniors on my way moving out. They were coming to inquire about moving down the hill where I am considered down the hill. Baby, the plumbing and stuff so bad in the building where they're 3 floors high. The common areas, like they have a workout room, a library, activity room, and a bathroom down there. Sewage all over. The AC ain't working. There's a stench. Somebody from the city had to get involved. So again, like I said, I ain't mad at that I had to up and move. There's reasons behind everything. And she was shedding tears for me because I'm an amputee. And I'm looking at her like, I'm going to be fine. But y'all don't deserve that. Over here today meeting my cable technician. Although I'm probably going to sleep at the other apartment for the next 2 days until the movers come. I had to get 55 and 65-inch TV boxes off Amazon because movers only assure your TVs when they have boxes. Well, guess who boxes got wet in the storage closet that flooded? That would be me. So I'll be glad when this move is done so I can decorate, chill, and relax my mind. It's just these investors that's coming that turning these communities into projects. I don't care what nobody said. Team Harris, come on and put the pressure on to get more housing built. These interest rates can drop because I thought that I want to be a renter for the rest of my life because I already owned before and owning is not easy. But if this is how it goes, let me pay $1,400-1,500 towards a mortgage. I'd rather take that risk because that's ridiculous. I thank God. When I tell y'all as an amputee, this man ain't leave me yet. Yeah, it was $3,000 unexpectedly, a little over 3 to up and move. But I looked at them people yesterday. Some of them just ain't got it to up and move. And then here in Concord, North Carolina, you got Western North Carolina with a natural disaster. Some people ain't got nowhere to go. So that's why I say before I fix my mouth to complain and say my legs tired from moving this and that, just know somebody wish they'd been in your predicament right now. I'm glad I got on myself to stop spending, stop buying so much stuff. Take 6 months to pay off one credit card because you never know when you're going to need it. God did. Happy Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. I got all my cups and things packed up, so I stopped at Dunkin' last night to get me a hot cup because I know I wanted to make me some coffee in the morning. Starbucks instant and a Dunkin' cup. What I'm doing today is some crafting, like some home improvement craft. On our last vlog, I said, oh my God, my hand soaps, my hand soaps, my hand soaps. Well, I got another little blue cart that I washed down yesterday before I head out the door to go to work. Left it outside drying. I'm going to spray paint it down. Y'all going to watch me do that. And that's going to be my hand soap cart to go in the corner of one of those rooms. And I'm going to Windex wipe down my televisions before I pack them up. And I'm going to wrap them. What I mean by that is I'm going to trim my living room TV in gold. And I'm going to trim my bedroom TV in rose gold. And once I get them hung up, mounted up, I'm going to run LED lights behind them. So yeah, your girl is ready for the new decor for the new place. Your instructions for the Starbucks Instant is 1.5 teaspoons to 8 ounces. So this is a 16-ounce cup. So I'm going to do 3 ounces. 3 teaspoons, I mean. And they make one of the best instant coffees. It's just quite pricey, but it is worth it in my opinion. That should be good. Let's get it cracking. If you're the kind of person that love your coffee to have a little bite, like, ooh, that's coffee, that Starbucks instance is going to be for you. So let's get to the porch and get the spray paint. And like I said, I washed the cart down yesterday morning. I left it out there to dry. So all we got to do is rock and roll. Y'all thinking, girl, when you going to finish this move? Well, I found out some things that I'll probably tell y'all on part 4. I could literally take my time. So Technically, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm living in between both of them, y'all. I'm sure ain't got no pants on. This is when you're ready to get things finished. Super easy. I'm gonna let it dry and then hit it with one more coat. It don't have to be perfect. It's gonna go in the corner. Y'all know I'm a diva. I just didn't want that gray, steel bluish color. Although it's only whole hand soaps. And versus, like I said, going with a baby pink, I wanted some contrast. So I went with the fuchsia. I'm gonna let this dry for about 2 hours and then come back and hit it with second coat. And we gonna call that done, baby. So what I'm doing right here is Windexing down. Y'all can see me? Windexing down the TVs, especially the thin borders. Because that gold foil paper is gonna go on the borders. So by the time I'm done, it looks like my TV will be trimming gold, if that makes sense. But you gotta give it a wipe down, do a wipe down, dust down before you start your process. So by the time the movers take these off the wall, they'll be as is. So if the guys that come in to remount them can just put them up as is. I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront because it's the perfect width and just the right amount of length so you wouldn't have any leftover or wasted. Or I could probably put some chevron patterns with this gold on the front of my pink card if I got something left over. If y'all didn't know, I love to craft. I gotta check out some of my old TikToks where I used to make my own light up candle vases. I want to say I might bring things like back, but with no space in this apartment, it's probably gonna be a no. So just watch me do this. Let's try to blow this up some. Let's see. See what I did? You can't hardly see it. I just went ahead and trim it, push on the outside just to make sure your flaps. No air bubbles. Just push it out as flat as you can, almost like wallpaper. And then just turn it under with your fingertips. So see what I'm saying? You can already see the gold. Run my hand up, make sure it's flat in here with the edge of my fingernail like this on that edge. And just smooth it in, nice and simple. So this is the bottom. Perfect width. Line it up. And just kind of take your time with it. Girl, who want their TV trimming gold and rose gold? That'll be me. That'll be me. I'm not somebody. That'll be me. So as I'm rolling the bottom, y'all, I'm pulling a little bit of tension on it. I'm pulling on it to make sure it's smooth. And this is how it looks when it's done. Like a nice thin gold picture frame. I saw it on Thumbtack, y'all. I use Thumbtack a lot to put things together for me. They do have people that build out like the picture frame build outs around your television and all that. They're relatively pricey. Even if you get them on Amazon, the picture frame build outs are pricey. And being that these aren't flush, meaning like super flat mounted to the wall, I wouldn't want the picture frame build out until I get a flush LED TV that backs up into the wall versus the regular mount. So for right now, this gold trim will do. So let's go do the bedroom one. We're gonna do that in rose gold. And it don't take long at all. The frame on this one was thinner. Even these edges were thinner. So I kind of took my finger to do this to kind of make it borderless, but y'all get the vibe. Cute. Okay, this is what it came out like. Super cute. And this is a box of hand soaps. Now, I've been getting through my soaps. Like, I normally do my haul every August. Probably about 2021, I would only do a haul every August. And maybe every now and then pick up some from the outlet. But this is 2024. I did not do my August haul because, again, I had an abundance of soap. And I got this box full. And I'm cool with that. That's going to be the new home for them. A new place today to bring a few more things and do a load of laundry and measuring some more things, y'all. Sneiko the builder on the check-in. These candles were in my way, in my walkway, so I just grabbed them. I am nervous for the movers to bring the rest, though. But either way, y'all, I'm getting things done, baby. Moving what I can is important because I got a 2-hour window for my movers, baby. You pay them by the hour. And yeah, I'm being petty, not rushing out of my older apartment. But again, I'm going to tell y'all that on part 4 because y'all ain't tell me there's such thing as handicap rights, child. I didn't find out so much stuff. These people are in so much violations of violations. I was thinking it ain't my problem because I'm up out of there. But again, I can take my time leaving out of that one. And that way, when I stepped into this one, it's kind of semi the way I want to. And again, just bringing over things little by little. And this is, I actually stopped and rearranged this by season. I'm probably going to move it to the other side on the vanity so I can use the top 4 makeup brushes. Because if I don't, I know me. I'm going to stuff it with more soaps. That mean buying more. And let's use up what we got. Measurements, y'all. I got this cute idea to right here on one of these walls. Well, I'm going to do the ceiling track system for the curtains. Let me just say that. And then right here on this wall, I found a pretty peacock blue, aka that teal and gold bar card. Yes, it's going to match. I'm going to work with it. And Diva the Builder. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Part 4 going to be a What's Up Wednesday. I got to tell y'all about these trifling people at some of these apartment complexes and some things y'all need to be watching out for if y'all living in complexes. Bye. And P.S. Never be afraid to stand up for yourself, no matter what it is, renting, buying, or whatever. I'm going to just tell y'all that before we get this part 4. Stand up for yourself, show up for yourself, baby. See y'all later.